Hello everyone, my name is Gavin, and today I'm going to show you how to make a bootable USB. First thing you're going to do is you want to go to rufus.ie. You want to download this tool. This tool will help us import an ISO file into a USB stick, so then we can put it into a computer, boot it up, and install something from there. So I'm going to choose the portable version. I'm going to run it. It is going to ask for administrator permissions, so you just give it that. You don't need to do this. And then there you go. Ignore this, that's just the way my USB is called. And this will be in the next tutorial. I'm going to select an ISO now. And I'm going to select the Ubuntu installation that we did last time. And then I'm going to press start. I'm going to say write in ISO image mode. Now this will delete everything on the device. You want to click OK if you're okay with that. I'll be right back as this does this. So it looks like that it has finished. So now we're going to close the application. And it should already be ejected. So I'm going to eject the USB. And now I'm going to go to the computer and boot it up. So now we have the computer that I'm going to be using. So now I'm going to plug in the USB into one of the slots. I'm going to turn on the computer and I'm going to spam the F12 key. All right. This should boot up into the USB. Hey, you can see me. Well, it shouldn't boot. Okay, you're going to see the screen. You want to go down onto USB. You want to press enter. And then you want to say, let's say I try to or install Ubuntu. And there you go. You have successfully booted into a USB. And now you can install Ubuntu, which I already have a tutorial for that, so you can just check that out. It's showing that. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.